Southeast Asia Royal Hotel. Good morning. May I help you?
Good morning, Du. I would like to reserve a double room on December 21.
Okay, ma'am. Wait for a while. Let me check our computer first. We have available room, ma'am. 8,400 per night, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are 5-star hotel. Okay, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
Maris Cabanes.
Okay, ma'am. I already reserved it. We are looking forward to seeing you tomorrow's afternoon. Okay, ma'am. Goodbye.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to General Hospital. Laguna Capital. That's your attendance for today, ma'am. I'm Chairman Soto. Can I get your badge, ma'am?
That's all?
No, ma'am. If you want to have a service, just dial 0 from your room.
So, thank you. Oh, wait, by the way, what time you check out?
At maybe, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, ma'am, and enjoy staying hard.
Thank you.
Let's see, ma'am. Your total bill is 16,800. What payment would you like to use, ma'am?
I'll pay it with my Visa card, but I need a receipt so that I can charge it to my card.
Oh, sure, ma'am.
Here's your receipt, ma'am, and your Visa card. Thank you. Thank you for staying in East Asia Royal Hotel, ma'am. Have a great day.
Ma'am, pagbayad, di upang problema, wala
First yung bag, ma'am. Thank you for coming. Have a nice